One of the windshield sprayers was weak on my 2004 Toyota Sienna minivan. Here's the weak spray on the driver's side, and the strong spray on the passenger side. I first tried to clean the nozzle with a sewing pin by inserting the pin into the top and bottom holes and wiggling it around to clear any debris. That failed. Next, I looked under the hood. The Sienna has a cover under the hood that is held in by these push-in fasteners. I used this kit that includes this handy fastener removal tool. I inserted the tool like so and pried off the fasteners. Chances were good that the fasteners would need to be replaced. I removed the driver's half and noticed this piece. I removed the hoses for a better look. There wasn't an arrow, so it wasn't a check valve, just a simple hose coupling. The rest of the cover was removed and exposed this splitter. The top hose feeds the passenger side nozzle and the bottom the driver's side spray nozzle. I removed and switched the hoses, reinstalled the coupler, closed the hood, and ran a test. The weak spray remained on the driver's side, which confirmed that the problem was somewhere from the splitter to the driver's spray nozzle. I suspected it being the spray nozzle and removed the hose from the coupling again. The spray nozzle was hidden behind this metal channel, and I felt and pressed on a locking tab. I shook the hose and the spray nozzle rattled and was easily removed. This wasn't a good sign. A closer look showed that the old and brittle rear plastic tab had broken off. The front tab was still attached, but the nozzle would still be loose if installed like this. I jumped on my laptop and ordered replacement spray nozzles from Amazon. While waiting for the replacement part, I verified that the hoses were clear and tried cleaning the nozzle by soaking it in white vinegar overnight. And the result? A big fat failure. Anyway, 2 days later, the replacement parts arrived. The kit included the spray nozzles, gaskets, and push-in fasteners. We'll take a look at the push-in fasteners later. First, let's take a look at the spray nozzles. The new nozzles looked almost identical to the OEM nozzles. I slipped the gaskets onto the nozzles, attached the hose to the spray nozzle, and installed the nozzle on the hood. But I did not press it in yet. I attached the hose under the hood. Again, I did not press in the nozzle just in case. And a moment of truth, success. Then I pressed and snapped in the nozzle and replaced the passenger side spray nozzle. Another test, and pressed and snapped in that nozzle too. Now the push-in fasteners. They had a different shaped head, but the snaps looked similar to the OEM part, and they worked just fine.